So I recently needed another grease gun. Shut that fan off. And I saw this at Oreilly's. I went there to pick up some fuel line. So I was looking around at what they had, and they had this one on sale for $15.99. And unfortunately for them, I guess one of their subordinates or employees or whatever put the sale sticker on the wrong grease gun. And thankfully I was able to get this one for that price. Normally I guess it retails for like $34.99, but I'll take that at half off, no problem. This is actually cheaper than what I would have spent on one off of Amazon, but it actually looks pretty nice. It does have a limited lifetime warranty, so it basically means you need to keep the receipt if you ever want to exchange this out for another one. I'll go ahead and read off what's on here. Extremely lightweight aluminum anodized barrel, 12-inch triple reinforced hose with anti-kinking coil spring, variable stroke aluminum die-cast head with bulk load fitting and air bleed off, which is nice. I don't like buying grease guns that don't have an air bleed off on them. It makes things a lot easier when they have that little nipple right there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but you'll see it when I open it up. Then a 12-inch 4,500 PSI flexible hose and a 5.5-inch rigid hose. So let's see if there's anything else. I guess you guys can just pause the video if you want. But open her up. So we have an owner's manual for a grease gun. So it's actually really lightweight compared to my other one. But here's the hose. Here's the aluminum hose. And it looks like you can just remove this tip and stick it on the edge of here. I'm going to keep this around, but honestly I like these flexible hoses a little bit more. Got the tip on. Now, let's pull the plunger out. It's nice because it locks into place. And first grease is going to be Lucas Red and Tacky. Been wanting to try this stuff out. Okay, here just a little bit. It's actually a really nice grease. I've not used it before. I've been wanting to try it out, but it feels a little bit better than the molybdenum stuff I've been using. Right, release plunger. Seems to be working just fine. Let's go try it out on my lawnmower. So even with a full can of grease, this thing is pretty light. Get you guys a little bit better shot on this side. Definitely went in there. good to keep these spindles greased anyways. So there you guys go. So I gotta say I'm pretty happy with this little thing. I did hit another grease point under there in the middle of the front axle, and I wasn't able to get the camera under there, but definitely works pretty good and I'm pretty happy with it. So I'd definitely buy another one of these if I had to, and this will probably get a lot more use than my other no-name one, which still has some grease in it, but I'm probably going to use this one quite a bit more. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more.